Hi, my talented chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to roast a chicken. What I used to prepare this dish was a whole chicken, some chopped herbs, a lemon, olive oil, and good old salt and pepper, plus some kitchen twine. Feel free to switch things up as you see fit. After all, this is your meal. Make it however you feel. With that said, let's get cooking. Grab a roasting pan or tray, set the bird in it, and pat her dry with some paper towels. Then, take a sharp knife like a paring knife and score the chicken twice on the drumstick. You don't want to cut all the way through the meat to the bone. Just a light cutting, a light scoring through the skin to let the heat cook this piece at the same pace as the rest of the bird. Then, using your fingers, slide them between the breast meat and the breast skin to create a pocket like this. We're going to stuff some butter and herbs in there. Afterwards, fill the cavity of the chicken with the cut up lemon. Take the kitchen twine and tie it along the end bone of one of the drumsticks. Then, wrap the rope around the other drumstick and give it a good twist a couple times. The drumstick bones are going to rest on each other, and you just want to tie them together. This helps to keep the bird in a uniform position for even cooking, and it helps keep the lemon inside the cavity. This isn't the proper way to truss a chicken, but it works for me. Next, cover the bird with olive oil and spread it all around, using your hands or a brush, whatever you feel comfortable with. This helps the seasoning stick to the chicken, as well as promoting browning and a crispy skin. Once the oil has been applied appropriately, season generously with salt and pepper throughout the entire bird. I really try not to miss any spots. Then, I've got a container of fresh chopped herbs I got from the garden. This is a blend of cilantro, parsley, and green onions, also known as scallions. Take the herbs and stick a little bit inside the cavity. You don't want to overcrowd, but I tend to overstuff. It's okay. It still works. And then use the rest of the herbs to stuff it in the pocket between the skin and the breast meat. Then, and this might be overdoing it, I tend to spread it all over. I'm trying to cover it as much as I can, but I'm also trying to use up the herbs before they go bad. Now that the bird has been prepped, roast the chicken in the oven at 400 degrees for an hour. Once the chicken is roasted, remove it from the oven and cover with some tin foil for 10 minutes to let the juices settle and redistribute throughout the meat. Then, carve, plate, and tuck in. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions? Is there anything you do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I am truly grateful for all the love and support. I hope you have a great day.
If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!